Hey there, future business tycoons. If you've just snagged a new Chase business card and you're eager to get it activated for 2025, you're in the perfect spot. Activating your card is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes, but it's crucial for securing your account and starting to use those rewards. In this video, I'll guide you through each step clearly, so you can do it without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have your card handy along with any required details like your social security number or the card's activation code, which is usually on the sticker attached to the card. This will speed things up and keep everything secure. Step 1. Head over to the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app. It's super user-friendly, and you can access it from your phone, tablet, or computer. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, look for the Activate Card option. It's usually right on the dashboard or under the Account Services menu. Pro tip: if you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for 2025 to avoid any glitches. Next, enter the necessary information. You'll be prompted to input your card number, the expiration date, and possibly a CVV code. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Typos can delay activation. After that, you'll likely need to verify your identity. This might involve answering security questions, confirming your personal info, or even receiving a one-time code via text or email. It's all about keeping your account safe, so embrace it. Once verified, hit that Activate button, and voila! Your card is good to go. Finally, test it out by making a small purchase or checking your account balance to confirm everything's working smoothly. Remember, if you run into any issues, Chase has excellent customer support available 24/7. Activating your Chase business card not only unlocks its features but also helps you manage your business finances more effectively. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on business tools and success strategies. See you next time.